So you want to eat clean, but don't think that your family will go along? Well, you're in luck because today I want to be sharing some of my top clean eating recipes and all of them are kid approved. I'm pretty sure that you've heard all about eating clean, Whole30, ketogenic, but if you're watching this video, it's probably something that you would like to do or you're already doing. But the only problem is, how do you do it when you have kids, when you have a family to cook for? Do you cook 2 different meals? Do you cook 1 meal for everyone? Let's face it, most of the time when you want to eat clean or a certain way, you wind up having to cook 2 meals, one for you and one for the rest of the family. If that sounds familiar, I know because I did that for years, and personally, it was the hardest part of doing any kind of program, whether it was Whole30, whether I ate paleo, when I had to eat ketogenic, AIP, you name it. Any detox works great for us adults, but when the kids are along, not so good. So after a couple of rounds of that, I had enough. So I started to get creative. I began thinking that instead of making 2 meals, I could just make my family's favorite recipes and find a way to make them clean and Whole30 approved and lower carb. And that is exactly where the Family Kickstart program was created. And so far, it's successful for my family, and it's helped hundreds of families ditch the sugar and processed junk for real and eat whole food meals. Now, did I mention that my kids actually ate the meals? They did. Just to give you a taste of what's inside the Family Kickstart program or some of the recipes that you can eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even treats, I'm going to show you in this video. All of the recipes are made with real whole foods and 100% kid approved, so let's get to it. Some of my favorite breakfasts are spinach and bacon mini quiches. These are one of the most popular recipes in the meal plans of the Family Kickstart program too, because they're savory, they're mini, they're bite-sized, and well, they're made with bacon and spinach, so that's 2 things that we all love and we can feel good about eating. They're perfect for breakfast or lunch. Now, of course, you can totally get creative and swap the bacon for ham or pepperoni. You could either swap the spinach for kale. Any of the add-ins to this recipe are super versatile and there are hundreds of possibilities. Now, up next, another favorite is our cranberry baked oatmeal. It is one of our new favorite ways to enjoy oatmeal for breakfast, meaning baked. Now, this baked oatmeal is a clean eating recipe. It uses tart cranberries and orange zest. Now, but of course you can use whatever frozen berries that you have on hand. Another favorite is huevos rancheros, a breakfast favorite from the Taco Tuesday cookbook, and who could have guessed it? It is clean. Nothing but lean protein from the eggs and black beans, healthy fats and cotija cheese, the avocado. This is definitely one that you'll want to make all the time. Now, chocolate smoothie bowls is also another favorite recipe around here because it's a thick, chocolatey smoothie in a bowl. It's full of protein and fiber thanks to the protein powder and dried plums. Up next, lunch options. Now, salads and bowls are my go-to clean lunch option. Now, I love them because they make it so easy to pack in a lot of protein and veggies into 1 meal. And let's not forget about the dressings and drizzles. They're my favorite part. Towards a top favorite, I've got to share with you my BLT salad. I turned the classic BLT sandwich into a loaded salad. You can pack this salad ahead and keep it in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go lunch for the office or school. Really close to my heart are my buffalo chicken bowls. I'm a total buffalo chicken addict. I mean, I've got an entire playlist on this channel for buffalo chicken, and this bowl is one of my favorite ways to enjoy that smoky, spicy goodness. The bowl is made with a cauliflower rice, so it's a great low-carb option, but you could also swap it with cooked rice for the kids. Not to be outdone by the salsa chicken bowls, of course, because this is another low-carb bowl made to mimic my favorite order at Chipotle. Slow cooker chicken salsa over cooked cauliflower rice and topped with black olives, sour cream, lots of guacamole, because again, you can never have too much. I did save some of my better recipes for dinner. I'm kidding, they're all amazing, but my chicken farro bowls, now this is one of my newer recipes and I can't get enough. Neither can my family. It's almost too pretty to eat and it's super easy to assemble. Instead of the usual rice, I swapped it out for farro, an ancient grain that's packed with protein. But again, if your family prefers rice or cauliflower rice for a lower carb, it's a great option. If you like Greek and Mediterranean flavors, this is definitely one that you've got to make. Oh boy. Pizza chicken. I'll be forever grateful for this recipe. It's two of my family's favorite things, pizza and chicken into one skillet meal. One recipe loved by millions is my very popular all-meat paleo chili. It's no wonder why. The chili is super thick, it's hearty, it contains no beans, and there's both a stovetop and slow cooker version. One fun recipe that I love to make ahead is my Thai chicken lettuce cup. The video for these does not make them justice. The chicken is slow cooked in a tangy sweet Asian sauce, to which you'll top with homemade peanut sauce, fresh crispy veggies. It's the bomb. Plus, the longer it stays in the fridge for like 2 days, the better it tastes. Up next, I've got some clean snacky desserts, of course. I couldn't leave you without adding some of my favorite clean treats, because I believe that when you eat clean, you could still enjoy something sweet. Now, something that I love to make with those really ripe avocados is chocolate avocado pudding. It's thick, rich, super chocolatey, and you'll never guess it's made with avocado. Now, my chocolate peanut butter dip is made with coconut milk and chocolate, and this is definitely one that you'll want to enjoy with fresh fruit or by the spoonful. All right guys, this is a wrap. I just want to give you a sample of some of the videos that you can find on this channel. There are tons of clean eating recipes. I'll make sure to link them below, and while you're down there, make sure to click that red subscribe button. A new video comes out every single week. See you next time.